Hi, good morning. Today's topic is Introduction to Payroll in Teleprime. The payroll feature in Teleprime is fully integrated with accounting to streamline payroll processing. Organizations can set up and process payroll using simple and complex criteria. A collection of predefined processes in Teleprime enable error-free automation of payroll process. The payroll feature also provides management-related information, statutory forms, and reports in the prescribed format such as payslip, payroll statements, attendance and overtime registers, gratuity, provident fund, employee state insurance, national pension scheme, professional tax and income tax, expert reports. Now, we have created a company, National Enterprises. Here what we are going to do is press F12, press F11, and from here I will enable my payroll. See, this is maintain payroll, yes, and enable payroll statutory, yes. Here what I am gonna do is, this is the payroll statutory details. So here I am going to fill the payroll statutory details. Company code is KAFB D00123450012. KAFB D00123450012. Next is company account group code and company security code is nothing over here. Next is company code for employee state insurance 12345/23457. Next, ECI branch office is Koramangala. Koramangala. Next, standard working days per month will be 26.00. Corporate registration number is 1268941 and corporate branch office number is 3954175. Next is tax deduction and collection account number is KARA 07884F. Next stand registration number is ALR TH3827R12. Income tax circle or ward is Bangalore. Deductor type is others and deductor branch and division is Manhali. Name of the person responsible is Rajesh Mehta and son and daughter of Suresh Mehta. Designation is CFO and PAN is AYRTH1816G. Okay, so this way I have enabled my payroll section. Now, Teleprime offers various features that allows you to implement and process payroll. You can use the payroll information menu to create different payroll masters required for computing earnings and deductions for employees. Features is full integration with accounts for simplified payroll processing and accounting. User-defined classification and sub-classification for comprehensive reporting on aspects such as employee groups, pay components or departments, support for user-defined earnings and deduction pay heads, flexible and user-defined criteria for simple or complex calculations, unlimited grouping of payroll masters, support for user-defined production units such as attendance, production or time-based remuneration units, flexible processing period for payroll, comprehensive reports for cost center as well as employee-wise costing, predefined processes for accurate and timely salary processing, employee statutory deductions and employer statutory contributions, processing payments using the e-payments capability in TelePrime, autofill facility to expedite the attendance, payroll and employer's contribution process, accurate computation and deduction of statutory payments such as income tax, ESI, EPF, NPS, professional tax and gratuity. Next feature is generate statutory forms and challans for income tax and EPF and ECI as prescribed, facility to drill down to the voucher level for any alteration, compute areas of previous periods, track known details of employees. In TelePrime, you can create the following to maintain payroll. Number 1 is employees. Number 2 employee groups, employee category, payroll units, attendance and production types, pay heads, salary details, income tax pay head configuration, income tax declaration, override income tax exemption value, override income tax value, income tax configuration, previous employer detail for income tax, and payroll pay heads like salary, PF, ESI, NPS, PF, admin expense. Alright, so as I already enabled payroll, so in the Provident Fund section, okay, so we have done all these things. Now we will proceed with payroll transactions. In addition to the existing voucher types in accounting and inventory module, use the attendance voucher type to record employees' attendance and production data for the attendance and production type created in payroll master. Such data can be entered manually or can be automated using autofill, and payroll voucher is a document used to manually enter one-time and ad hoc payroll transaction for individual employees as well as payroll processing activity for all or selected employees using autofill functionality are enabled when payroll is activated in F11 feature. Payroll vouchers record payroll related data for employee and employer contribution. You can enter separate vouchers for every day or a single voucher for a given day period, such as month with aggregated values. You can also enter data for one or more or all employees. You can record payroll data using the following processes: user-defined, salary processing, PF contribution processing for employer PF contributions, ESI contribution processing for employer ESI contribution, NPS contribution processing for employer NPS contribution, and employer PF admin charges. The entry for payroll vouchers like in attendance voucher can be manual or automated using payroll autofill. In TelePrime, you can record payroll payment transactions as given below. Number 1 is salary payments, PF payments, processing ESI payments, NPS payments, income tax payments, and professional tax payments. Next, how to generate pay slips in payroll. The new enhanced payroll in TelePrime offers fast and easy salary processing. The payroll process is a 5-step procedure in TelePrime. Number 1 is create employees, employee group and employee categories. So we will create the employee master, add employee details, categorize employees based on their projects or office location, and add organizational groups that best represent their job function such as marketing, R&D, sales or accounts. Step 2 is create payroll masters. Payroll masters represents various the payroll units and the attendance and production type used in your organization. For example, payroll units could be simple or compound, while the attendance type could include present and leave without pay. Step number 3. Create pay heads. Pay heads represents the different components that constitutes a salary structure. You can add any complex type of pay head with ease in TelePrime. Create salary detail. Create the applicable salary structure for employees and employee group. Step number 5. Process payroll and generate pay slip. Record a payroll voucher that represents the various heads such as PF, ESI and PT towards which employees and the employer contributes. Generates the pay slip which includes attendance details, provides a listing of each component of the employee's earnings and deduction, and displays the net amount paid to the employee for a given pay period. Employees can use the pay slips to understand how the net amount is calculated. Now, first of all, we are going to start the transactions of the payroll.